Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's Thursday. As usual, I have an online class, but Thursday is always like the chill day. There's not really much work on Thursday, so today I decided to prepare some orders for RISOL MAYO. I don't know if it's still RISOL MAYO in English, but yeah, whatever. I want to make that, and I'm gonna take you through the process of me making them. So yeah, I'm gonna bring my laptop to the kitchen and I'll have all my classes in the kitchen. Alright, I'm preparing the scale right now to measure the ingredients. So first I'm gonna be measuring this flour, and I'm gonna put the recipe on the description box, but today I'm making 3 times the actual recipe. And I'm sorry I'm not going to be talking throughout this video. I'm just going to use voiceover because my brother is having online class at the moment and I can't really talk. Well, I'm actually talking with my mom as well, but I can't talk that loud and I can explain this process. Anyways, I just added this salt and some other type of flour. I don't know what it's called in English, but I'm just going to put it in this description box. And then I add this oil as well. I use 2 different types of oil because I ran out of the actual one that I usually use. But honestly, it doesn't really matter. Then I add in 2 eggs, which is actually not necessary, but I feel like if I add in eggs, the crust is more stretchy and it won't easily crack. So yeah. Then I slowly add in some milk while stirring it. Meanwhile, my mom puts in 6 eggs in this boiling water, and remember that I used 3 recipes for this, so you don't actually need that much egg for the filling. And I also take out some sausages and smoked beefs for the filling as well. Okay, back to the mixture now. I'm slowly adding water and just keep mixing until it's the right consistency. But I don't really know how much water that I add, because again, I don't really use the recipe anymore. I just do it by feeling. And then I'm just starting to get tired of mixing, so yeah. Alright, so this is the consistency that I want. It's kind of watery but still thick, if you know what I'm saying. Then I just went to see if my teacher gave me a task, and she did, so I have to do it first. And then I made the mayonnaise sauce kind of thing for the filling, and it's basically a mixture of mayonnaise, sweetened milk, and also some cheese. And I've made this a lot of times, so again, I don't look at the recipe anymore. I just mix it as how I want it to be, and usually it tastes the same. And then I added macaronis as well and just mix it up together. Alright, so all of the ingredients are prepared, and here I am making the crust. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I just poured 1 huge scoop of the flour mixture and leave it in the pan while I'm filling the other crust that is already cold, if that makes sense. Yeah, basically the timing is perfect though. Once I'm done, I just take it out of the pan and wait for it to cool down again. For the filling, I'm using smoked beef and sausages, eggs, and also that mayonnaise sauce that I made earlier. But you can literally use anything you want. You can use prawns, any kind of meat, or I don't know, if you want to make it vegetarian, then go ahead. And basically this process just keeps going until I made 50 RISOL mayo for the orders, and I kept some left over for myself as well. So I guess I'm not gonna be talking anymore because this is the exact same process, and I'm just gonna let you watch me do this with some music. Okay, so this is the next day and I'm eating this RISOL mayo that I made. And yesterday I forgot to film the part where I covered all with flour, and also the part when I sent all the orders, because I was just really tired and I want to get everything done as fast as I can. So yeah, I didn't remember to film it. But now I'm just gonna be eating this because it's just really good. This is the leftovers that I keep for myself and my family. Look at that, oh my god. It's so good. This is so good. And I have a Zoom meeting, so I'm sorry for the back sound. So I'm gonna finish this now, and you guys should really try it because it's really good. I'm gonna put the recipe down in the description box. And yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me, and like this video if you enjoy it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next Friday. Bye.